Hey everybody, welcome back to Lisa Gollum Art.
So here we are, part 2 of our highly textured gnome paintings. There's mine, and here is Braxton's. Lovely, lovely. All right, so I'm just going to use a small brush and some white to kind of draw my gnome. Braxton's going to use a marker, I think.
So as you see, I'm drawing my sketch of
The house.
my house.
Cool.
It's gonna be a wood house. Doesn't really matter if you make it detailed. It's just you're just gonna cover it in paint. So why make it detailed?
Exactly. Good point.
I just make mine detailed so I can see it look pretty, but it's really not necessary to make it detailed. Lisa did another gnome video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out.
That was about a year. I think it was Christmas 2020. I did that one.
That was a long
He was a winter gnome, of course, because it was December.
If you do a house, you can do your house windows whatever color you want. Right, Lisa?
That's right. That's the beautiful thing about painting is no two paintings are the same, and they shouldn't be. Sometimes when I teach art, people will be frustrated because they couldn't make it look like mine as the teacher, and I would say, you know what? If they all look like mine, wouldn't that be a boring world? It would really be a boring room full of paintings all the same? That would be silly.
And if you mess up on your sketch, you can always use the paint
Cover it, yeah.
to fix it. Like I did with my door. I messed it up.
Yeah, and you just paint it right over, don't you?
Where's the water?
Yeah.
Cool. It's perfect.
Perfectly cool.
I'm going on to my nose.
So I'm going to paint the whole beard this darkish gray, and then I'm going to do light gray on top of that and then white on top of that. Layering. It's all about the layers.
So now, I'm going to make a bit of texture. I'm going to make this look real. I'm going to get some gray and I'm going to make little snakes around the white beard. Yeah, take some gray. And you do this. And then to make it look really real, dab it and dab it and dab it. Look how real that looks.
That's great.
Now, I'm gonna do
With beards, my biggest secret that I like to do with beards is make sure I overload my brush and reload it very often because I want lots of texture. It just looks so much more hairy when there's lots of texture, eh?
yeah. I brought Uncle Don.
What's happening here?
We're painting our gnomes.
Painting? No.
Yeah, look.
Ooh. That's a big hat.
You should make one.
Yeah, I should. I fix toilets and you paint gnomes.
What? Is Uncle Don ever on your videos?
No.
Never?
No, he's the engineer, I'm the artist.
I just thought I'd put like pop out sign because I thought it would look cute and
Yes.
imagine if this is what I wanted to take home, the stool. And you'd be like, okay,
No, I need that for my studio. My studio.
but stool.
My studio. It's my studio stool. I mean studio stool. Or studio stool.
I got the bopper boss. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-bopper boss. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-bopper boss. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-bopper boss.
So thanks for joining me and Braxton for this lovely textured gnome. I'm going to show you the paintings. All right, so there's Braxton's painting. There we go. It's got a cute gnome and an angel, and then the gnome's little house. It says love on it. And all kinds of treasures buried in the grass for him to find. But what a great home and a great paint.
And I hope he doesn't hurt himself on that hedgehog.
Right. I don't know what his name is, but there's my gnome with his angel watching over him. I didn't bother with the house because I fussed more with my gnome. So you can make it your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the good things that help out my channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out with Braxton as well. He really enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.